Today's video I show you guys how to install the flying height unlocked for Hogwarts Legacy. All you have to do is check my video description for this mod link. Scroll down and select the manual download option. Select the slow download option and it will start downloading. After the download done, select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Now open the Epic Games, click on the three dot icon next to Hogwarts Legacy and select manage and select this open install location. Open the Phoenix folder, content folder, packs folder, mods folder. If mods folder is not created in your case, then check my video description for this text. Just copy the text and right click on the blank area and select new and select folder. Paste the text in there and now open it. Just drag and drop these files and just close stuff here and launch the game. And as you can see, we are in the highest possible limit, and that's how you can able to fly higher on a Hogwarts Legacy. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.